G'day, 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 g'day. Just occurred to me it's Tuesday, just after lunch, and I haven't started my weekly video yet. Forgot all about it. But yeah, I was just listening to an awesome podcast this morning. Lewis Howes, he had a guest on talking about the what do you call it? The benefits of getting out into nature, benefiting your mental health and your physical health. Mental health awareness is always good. Yeah, I've struggled a bit in the past, and I pulled myself out of it, which is, I'm proud of myself, put it that way. Yeah, so made me think a bit though. What do I really want out of life? And yeah, I love my cars, but I think what pips it at the post just is getting out in nature. So I'm going to pull my finger out so I've got more time to do so. So yeah, I'm going to be spending a little bit more time on the HJ. Might spend 2 days a week on it during the week, and maybe one day on the weekend, because yeah, I want to get out there and out and about. But we're not going to talk too much about that because this is a car channel. I do have another channel which I don't post a lot on. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll get back to that. But at the moment I've got priorities. So HJ, we worked on it yesterday. There's a little bit more work left on it than I thought. I forgot that this quarter panel here hadn't been rubbed down yet, and neither had all this back bit back here. I have done so now. Also, the door jambs hadn't been rubbed. I've done this side. There's a little bit of filler work needing to be done where I welded on a new sill panel. Very minor. I've rubbed down the parcel shelf. I've got to rub down around the windows. There's a little bit of filler work down around here I need to do. Not important because it's never going to be seen once the window's in, but we do want it to look decent after painting. So yeah, so the HJ is going to move forward a bit quicker. Also got to rub down the firewall. Not looking forward to that. Don't like it. And this part, straighten this bit here out. But yeah, I need to get the HJ out. There's a couple of cars I really need to get out so I can keep moving forward. But today we're back on the XT. Just about ready for primer. The rest polyurethane primer. Probably tomorrow we'll get that done. Today on the XT I've been mucking around over this side because there was a high spot here, and I shrunk that down with my handy dandy shrinking disc. I need to get a bigger one of these. I'm going to get a bigger one of those shrinking discs. They work really good, guys. There was also a bit of a low spot here which I also fixed up, and yeah, just rubbing down a little bits like around the windows. And by the end of the day this will be all ready to go. I may need to run to the hardware store to get some plastic drop sheets, plastic oh, what do you call it? Anyway, I've got to go to the hardware store. So anyway, this is where we're at, and as usual I'll get stuck into it. Oh, hang on, we gotta go look at something else. But as usual, as I said, we're going to get stuck into this today, get it ready to prime tomorrow, and then yeah, if I've still got time at the end of the day, because I have been starting to block down the doors that I have put polyurethane on, so I'll get back into blocking those down again. But yeah, we'll go look at something down the shed really quick because it's something that we're going to do tonight after work. Okay, while we're in here, we'll have a little bit of a look because I've been doing a little bit more organising and cleaning. I've got all my bikes on this wall here at the moment, temporarily. I don't want them in here permanently. But I have been sorting this out. This isn't 100% finished yet. I still want to line it all out, the walls, cabinets on the walls instead of that ugly shelf. But I've got my welder up here and my workbench. Hang on, I've got to go turn the light on. Got to get stuck back into this. Thought someone was knocking on my shed door then. This area here is, you know, I can walk around the benches now, like so. But what I want to do with this is, because I've got my plasma cutter under there, but I don't use it that often because it's a bit of a pain in the ass trying to set up the tin for it to be cut. But what I want to do is get another bit on this, another fold out section of this workbench with the mesh, the grid in it, so I can put tin over it, and then I can use the plasma cutter to cut. Because this is on wheels, I can spin it around any angle, I can take it back down that section, whatever. But it'll make it more of a, I could utilize more of it. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm a bit tongue-tied today. But anyway, yeah, so it's getting a little bit better in here. Still far from how I want it, but it's getting more livable. And what I actually came down here for was this is what I've got to do tonight. This job's already been paid for. I had to cut this middle bit out because it had a dent on the underside, well, the top of the tank. So I cut that bit out, fixed the dent and welded it back in. But then there was a couple of tiny little pinholes, and then I hit it with the wire wheel and it turned to Swiss cheese. So tonight I've got to start fixing this and get this back to its owner. So anyway, I've got to get back into work and get this XT ready to prime first thing tomorrow. G'day, g'day. It's actually Saturday, but I'm still working. I had a couple of days off because I went on a spur of a moment camping trip up the river just for a bit of a reset. You got to do that sometimes. I mean, I'm a little bit self-diagnosed ADHD, you know, the attention deficit disorder. My brain never stops, and sometimes I've just got to take off and have a reset. But it worked because I'm head down, bum up, back into it. So yeah, XT, I've been doing some priming today. I've got the body and the polyurethane, I can't talk today. Polyurethane high fill primer. I mean, look at that, that's just silky smooth. That's not going to take much rubbing at all. So the body and the outside of the bonnet is done. I also did a bit of a spot prime over the repairs that I did in the engine bay. So what I've got left to do is the underside of the bonnet and the inside of the doors with polyurethane primer. But what I'm going to do is this, I used a 2mm tip primer gun, but I'm going to do it on the inside of the doors and bonnet because they don't really need any serious blocking. I'm going to do it with my 1.4mm tip HVLP spray gun, so it comes out nice and silky and smooth. I mean, smoother than that. And then I'll just be able to scuff it up and paint it. Well, I'm not going to scuff it up and paint it. I'll scuff it up, but I'm not going to paint it. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyhow, I've got about 3 hours left of today, Saturday. and I'm going to spend that. I've blocked most of the boot down. I'm going to finish that one off, get that ready for colour. I've got a HVL, what have I got to do? Polyurethane the inside of the boot as well. Jeez, where's my brain today? But yeah, I'm going to do that, and then I'll start on a guard, and if I get time after that guard, then I'll do the next guard. That's all today. But because I'm getting a bit behind on my work, I'm also going to spend one day each weekend doing customer work. I was doing one day cleaning my shed and one day playing with my own stuff, but for a few weeks I'm going to have to do an extra day on customers' cars on the weekend as well. Yeah, I just need to get this HJ out and gone, and the 240's got to come back, and I've got to get that out and gone as well. Yeah, I've got people waiting. So anyway, 3 hours left of the day. I want to finish off, well, not finish off, do some more blocking, and yeah, then I'll go inside and have a rest. But yeah, I'll come back before I sign off so I can show you how far I got. Well, I almost forgot to do the sign off. So where did we get to? So yeah, as you know, we got the polyurethane high fill on, and in the last few hours of the day I got this boot all blocked down, the booty trunk, and then buzzed with 500 on the orbital sander. So that's ready for colour, except for the inside. I've still got to hit that with primer, high fill primer, so that's ready to go. And I also got this front guard all blocked down. I've still got to buzz it with the 500 grit on the orbital sander, but that will take me all of about 5-10 minutes. So that's done, and then I've got to do the same on the other side. Took me an hour to do this guard, so add that onto that guard, and that'll be done as well. So next week we'll do that. We'll get into that guard and finish this guard off. And once that's done, we'll probably block the outside of the bonnet and then move on to the actual car body, or I might do the car body and then the bonnet. I don't know. Either way, doesn't matter as long as it all gets done. So whew, we're only a couple of weeks away from getting this one done, I reckon. Yeah, so I'd like to get a new camera. I'd like to get a new GoPro, or I might try an Insta next time. And yeah, give it a go. I like one of the Insta 360s. They look pretty cool. So on that note, I think you all should like and subscribe and leave a comment and all that shit, because that'd help me out. I might even be able to afford a new camera. Maybe. So, on that note, I'll catch you when I'm looking at you. See you guys.